Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about logic as Python conditions. So for this tutorial I would like us to open a new file, but before we go to that I will just show you the first bit of Python conditions. But to actually get a sense of Python conditions, you think of your everyday life. If you want to go out, let's say it's raining, you take an umbrella if you have one. So, but if it's not raining, you don't take an umbrella. That kind of thing. Like if you're hungry, you eat. So that's the kind of conditions. A lot of programs are actually built on um, these tools are the basics that make up complex programs that you can are able to access controls. You're able to do logic and move your program forward. So let's say a equals 1. So let's say my program is to check if a equals to 1. So if a equals 1, print wow, a is equal to 1. Now if now let's say I change a to 2, a equals 2, and then when I check it, if a equals 1, print wow, a is equal to 1. As you can see, this program runs this part of the script, but it's only checking if a is equals to 1. It's not checking, it's not handling the other case where a might not be equal to 1. So I'll show you how to write it. Now, if a equals 1, print while a is equal to 1. So I use a backspace there, else print a is not equal to 1. So you can see. Now, if you look at this code, it might look a bit confusing. Why I said we should use a file, I will create a new file. You see now, so new file. So I'll put it by the side here. I want to write this other code on this side. Alright, so let's start. A equals to 2. If a equals 1, print while a is equal to 1, else print a is not equal to 1. So then I want to save that. So let's say one checker. That should be one checker.py, but you already have Python here. But if you're saving it as a text file, you save it as .py. So you can just write the name, or you write .py to save as well. So then to run this, you go to your run panel, then you go to run module. Then okay, so you can see a is not equal to 1. Why I am showing you this is because Python is an indented language. It uses indentation. There's no curly braces. For those that use Java or C or something, you know that you have curly braces. But in Python, it's the indentation. Indentation is very important to your program. So here, you might not be able to appreciate the indentation because this prompt, this is the first, this place, this is the first line, like this is the first let's say column, and then it goes here. So this is 4 spaces. This place here, from let's say from here to here, it assumes that's 4 spaces. So that's what you have here. That's what you have here. So the problem there is this else is not aligning with this. That's why I'm writing it here. It's looking like that here because of this prompt. You can see. So let's move on. Now, if you have, in a case where let's say it is you are working with, let's say days of the week. Your program has to do with days of the week, and then maybe there are many options. If you are familiar with Java switch, there's no switch in Python. You have to use if. So let's just say I want to check for the days of the week. So let's say I will still use the a new file. So let's say new. So we'll close this. Okay. So let's say A equals, let's use B this time. B equals, let's say Sunday. Sunday is very nice, first day of the week. So let's say our program is to check if the day is Monday. So if, let's change it to day. So if day equals Monday, okay, 1 2 3 4, that's 4 spaces. So print work day. Then to have multiple ifs, let's say if you let's say you have many friends, and then you call them different nicknames. So let's say in your head you actually use if statements to store your friend's name. So let's say your friend's name is Samuel, and his nickname is Sam. Another one is Johnson. His nickname is John. So if you are using if statements, now you have many elifs. We use elif. So elif day equals Tuesday. Let's say print work day. So as we have, let's say a elif day equals Friday. Okay, I'll try to make it interesting. Print thank God it's Friday. Okay, it's Friday. Okay, something happened here. You see, when I used this is a single apostrophe, you see that this is green and these are black now. So why that is a string, you start a string with a single apostrophe or and with a single apostrophe. But in this case, you have an apostrophe in your text. So what you can do is you can change this to a double quotes. So now everything is inside. So to make it a bit more interesting, the other days, let's just use our social media things. So this one is Wednesday. So Wednesday, that's say woman crush Wednesday. Then if it's Thursday, that's throwback Thursday. Now then you still want to go to, so let's change this to Monday. Then now we have these days. What you now want to do is, for the other days, let's say Saturday and Sunday, we just want to say weekend. Like that's also in your mind on weekend. Like weekend. No weed. Weekend. So weekend. So basically, so work day, woman crush Wednesday, throwback Thursday, then thank God it's Friday. So these are program. So basically, you have this if, then this elif for your other conditions, and this else for like the final one. So then we save it. This checker. So you can see that I didn't typed up pi in this one and it worked. So let's just run it. Model. Okay. Oh, you can see here, you need your quotes to be correct. So let's see. I hope there's no error. So the day is Monday, and then so probably I want to print the day here. Print day, then print the other thing. So which one should we do? Let's do Saturday, or let's just do any other thing that is not Saturday. Let's just say Lunar Day or something. Lunar. Reason for this is, this day is not a function, it's just a text. This is a variable, so you can actually put anything there, but we're just using this for explanation sake. So the expected result for this, since this lunar is not equal to any of this, is weekend. So let's just say run lunar weekend. So just to be safe, let's go back to Saturday. So basically, this is how to do ifs. You can use it on numbers, you can use it on anything. So that's how to do ifs, everyone. See you in another tutorial.